Hindi yung nasubukan mo na ba 'to? Ginawa mo na ba 'to? Napag-isipan mo bang mabuti 'yan? Tanong din 'yun pero hindi sila magandang tanong, eh, 'di ba? So far, I see 3 questions on setting clear expectations. That's important, yeah. And, 1 question mark on invite input regularly, no? So 4 people recognize their areas for improvement, ano? How about the others? All strengths? All strengths ba? Walang area for improvement?
Sir Edwin, sorry, yung yung sa question lang na part, paano po 'to? Ayaw niyang mag-proceed.
Click mo lang yung ano, yung stamp,
Yung
lalabas yung bar,
yeah,
puwede kang
opo.
pumili. 'Di mo nakita?
Hindi,
Nasa
nakita
baba
sir,
siya,
pero 'pag klinik ko na
ayaw
siya,
mag-click.
ayaw niyang mag-click yung mismong file niyo po, eh. So, anyway,
Ah,
sige sir. Baka yung akin
oo,
lang.
oo. Puwede mo na lang i-drawing yung ano, yung pencil, you can do the pencil and do this,
Okey, sige po.
oo. Okay, so I think it's very important ano yung sa emotional intelligence when I run training on emotional intelligence. One of the things I keep on emphasizing is yung importance ng accurate self-assessment. You know what I'm saying? Na dapat as a leader, alam mo yung strengths mo, alam mo yung weaknesses mo, alam mo yung areas for improvement mo. Magkaiba yung weakness sa area for improvement.